In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make text bigger on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step on an iPhone, we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down and tap Add Control Center. Here we need to add text size shortcut to included controls. Just make sure it is added. If it is not, scroll down until you find it here in that list and then tap at the plus sign next to it. That will move it to included controls, and once it is done, we can go out of settings. Now we need to head over to Facebook Messenger. Then swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the Control Center, where we can easily find a text size shortcut. If we tap on it, it will allow us to change text size, which is default, that equals 100% for now. Down below, we can select for which applications we would like to change text size. We can select Messenger only, or we can switch it to all applications. I'm gonna keep Messenger only selected, and then I can just drag it up or down to change default text size to another value. And then if we go back to Messenger, we can see that now text is increased. In any time we can go back here and then we can switch it to another value, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.